Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can mix two different Ankara fabrics to make this beautiful bubu top with lapel. It is very easy to make. If you are into Ankara ready to wear business, this is a beautiful design you can add to your collection. Sit back, relax and enjoy the tutorial. I bought 3 yards of each of this color. What I'm doing, I'm marking the wrong side of the fabric. You can use any beautiful Ankara combination of your choice. As you can see, I decided to mix mine with black and orange. The same design but different colors. My fabric is neatly folded into 4. Next, I mark neck width 3 inches, neck depth for the back 1 inch, neck depth for the front I marked 9 inches. I used the total width of the Ankara for my center back to the sleeve length. Then I measured 13 inches for the sleeve opening. The length of the top, I want mine to be 35 inches including hemming allowance. I'm going to join the black fabric to the top. So for the upper part, for the orange color, I measured from my shoulder to 20 inches. So I'll replace the remaining length with the black fabric. Then for the wideness of the body, I measured 20 inches. You can adjust the measurements to your preference. After marking your desired length of the upper part, make sure to add 1 inch joining allowance to it. Next is to cut it out. To complete my top length, I'm going to fold the black fabric into 4. Then I will measure my desired top length, which is 35 inches including hemming allowance. I'll mark it and cut it out. I will use these 2 long strips for the lapel. So after cutting the amount of fabric that I need to complete my top length, next I'm going to split it into 2 from the folded edge. Then I'm going to trace the shape of the top and cut it out. After cutting, I'm going to remove the back bodies from the black fabric. I'll remove 1 piece from it. I'll keep it aside. Then I will open up the upper fabric. I'll open it up this way to cut the front neckline. This top does not have joining on the shoulder. So from the 9 inches neck depth that I measure, I will measure 2 inches inward straight down to the hemline. After that, I'm going to roll that into a straight line and cut it out. From the neck depth, I'll connect it to the neck width. Next is to cut it out. Next, I'll open up the upper part and I'll pin the lower part to the upper part, right side facing each other. After pinning, I will take to my sewing machine to join them with 1 inch seam allowance. I'll pin the back bodies as well. Right side facing each other. To know the amount of fabric to cut for your lapel, measure from one end to the other end of the opening of the front. So I'll be joining these two pieces together to make it long strip for the lapel. After that, I'm going to iron interfacing to the wrong side. The measurement of the lapel is 2.5 inches on fold. 2.5 inches on fold. When you open it up, you will have 5 inches. Next is to join the lapel to the opening of the front, starting from the center back. After joining the lapel, you will give it a good press and overlock the rough edges. After that, you will hem the sleeve opening and give it a good press. After ironing, you will wear the lapel on your neckline and pin down where you want the overlap to start from. I've pinned mine down. Then you will use one side of the lapel to overlap on the other side and top stitch on it. You will top stitch it to the hem line. Make sure the joining of the lower part is equal at that point that I'm touching. Make sure it is equal. That is, the joining is on a straight line. Next is to sew the sides, hem the down parts, and that's about it for today's tutorial. This is the final outcome, guys. We've come to the end of today's tutorial. If you find my tutorial helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below if you've not done so. I upload weekly tutorial on my channel. Also remember to click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Until I come your way next, please stay safe and remain blessed. Thanks for watching. I love you all. Bye for now.